Hey, what is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys a variety of different kind of smartphone head mounts. Now these are all different, they have pros and cons, so let's go ahead and go over each of these, all right? Now where to buy all of these, I'm going to go ahead and put links in the description as well, okay? So first thing is this one here. Let's go ahead and go over this one here. Now this one here is like a clip. Now this one's pretty cool because what you can do with this one actually too is not only can you clip it to your hat, but you can clip this to your visor in your car as well. Now I use this to record some of my drone videos, and let me show you how this works. You just get your hat, and you just clamp it right onto the beak here, and then you put it on just like this. And then what's cool too is because you have this little adjuster here, what you can do is you can move it down like this, move it up like that, and then you can just go ahead and tighten it at the position that you actually want it. Now the only thing with this one, it's a little bit top heavy, so when I'm wearing this, flying my drone, trying to keep a view of my drone, sometimes like the hat will kind of start like sliding down because it's a little bit top heavy. The only thing is, like, I definitely wouldn't recommend if you have like a big phone on here, if you have like an iPhone Plus, I wouldn't recommend it because then it would be even heavier. With a smaller phone, sure, it's okay, but again, it will kind of like lean down a little bit. But overall, still pretty convenient. If you wanted to go ahead and record a video on there, you go ahead and simply record the video, then you put it on your head and you're ready to rock and roll. All right, so the next one here is this one here, and it has like a long arm. Now this one here will actually go over so I can see directly through my phone. And this one here is by Livestream here. Let me put this one on my head here. And all of these that I have on here, guys, they'll fit big phones as well as smaller phones, okay? Right now I have I think this is an iPhone 6s Plus here, so it's a large phone. You can kind of get an idea like what this one looks like here. And of course I can move this up and down like this. I forgot to mention, but there's also another adjuster right here. So I mean, of course, you can do all this, and you can even, turn this like in portrait mode, but you can also do this too. You can loosen this up here, this top part right here, and now you can move this all the way up, all the way down, and just lock it into place wherever you want it. And of course, at the same time, again, you can go ahead and move this around as well. Now with this one here, I mean, it does kind of hurt my head. It would be better if you wore like a helmet. And another thing is too, it's kind of like wobbly. If you're like walking, doing something, it's going to like wobble a little bit. I would definitely recommend, if you have like a big phone, then don't use it because it's just a lot more heavier. Use a smaller phone. It's just going to be a little bit lighter, and it's not going to be too tough on your forehead right here. Now another cool thing too about this live stream, because I have another one with this rod, is this one here. Not only can you film in landscape mode, but you can also turn the phone over and film it in portrait mode as well. And you can see like all the different adapters on here. So if I wanted to turn this phone to portrait mode, I can just go ahead and loosen this little thing up here. Then I can go ahead and turn it over just like this. And then I can go ahead and just tighten it. And now I have it in portrait mode, just like this, as you can see. And I can kind of like tilt it like this or like this. And of course, then I would have to tighten it up. Now, for the next one here, it's very similar to this one by Livestream. This one here I got off of eBay, but I'll put the links below again. And this one here is basically a standstill. So I can only record this one in landscape. I can't put this one in portrait mode. However, you still can like adjust it like that. Let me put this one on my head. And I do have a smaller phone on this one, okay? Now between like these two here, remember this one here doesn't turn in landscape mode, but this one is also lighter. So it's not as harsh on your forehead as this one is, because this one here has like more adapters and things like that to make it like heavier. But still, even if you have these head phone mounts with these like rods on here, it's still shaky. If you're gonna be like walking, I mean, it's gonna be shaky. I almost forgot to mention this one as well, but this one has another adjuster right here. As you can see, if I can loosen this up right here, this can go all the way down to here. Highest it's going to go up is like right here. And of course I can lock it into any place that I want as well. So if I just leave it like something like that right there, tie it up like that, and bam, baby. And like I said, also you can adjust it like this or like this. And let me just pull this off. So you just basically slide your phone in here just like this, and bam, you're ready to rock and roll. Now on to like different type of smartphone head strap mounts. Now I do prefer these ones here, and let me show you. Now all these are still a little bit different. Now this one here is by Action Mount. The only thing with this one here, I mean, it's a lot more comfortable on the head than these right here with the rod, or even this one. But this one has like suction cup that you put onto your phone screen there. And then what you do is this strap here, you just go ahead, this Velcro, you just pop it on just like that. And because you have that suction cup on there, if you have a hard time like accessing your camera and starting the video record, what you would have to do is go ahead and start recording and then pop everything on here, strap it on, and then put it onto your head. But let me go ahead and just slide this on my head. And again, like these ones here, because it's closer to my head, is so much more comfortable than these with the rods. And I do have a big phone on here. This is an iPhone 6s Plus. And of course you can tilt this one as well. You can like kind of like bring it down. You can actually go, that's the furthest it will go down. And of course you can tighten it up more as well up here. Now moving on to the next one here. Now this one is by Selfie. Now this is very similar to this one here, but the main difference is this one here is standstill. You can't adjust it or tilt it or anything. What you see right here is basically what you get. You just put your phone in there, you just strap this Velcro, and that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and put this on. Now this one is probably the most comfortable on my head because there's not too many like adapters or anything like that, and it sits very, very close to my head. So like I said, this one here, you can't like adjust it, you can't like bring it down. But again, this is probably the most comfortable, but you can't really do much with it. It just sticks on your head. But I'm probably going to be using this one on my next drone video. Now the last one here is by Velocity Clip, and it's very, very similar to all these, but this one's like a little bit different. And let me just show you, okay? So this other one here by Action Mount, you can see how this one was like set up. Now the thing with this one here, it kind of like sticks out more. As you can see, if you look right here, you can see the base, how close it is to the phone, and you can see how much further this one is. So it's a little bit heavier on the head. Personally, I would recommend either like one of these two, but this one here is still good. And let me just go ahead and put this one on my head here. And I do have a small phone, but again, all of these will fit like a bigger phone as well. So it's on my head now, and of course I can go ahead and I can adjust this to the way I want it. That's the furthest it's going to go up. And then just for kicks and giggles, that's, oh wow, it'll go all the way down like this. And let me just bring this back up here. I'll put it the way that it's supposed to be, but you can kind of get like an idea like how that is. So again, really quickly, we have one that clamps like this onto your hat, or you can clamp it onto your carve, your visor here. Then you have these ones with the rod. I don't really recommend these, especially if you guys are going to be walking around. It's going to be bouncing. Doesn't matter if you have a smaller phone on there or a bigger phone. It's going to be bouncing. And don't forget, between these two here, really the only difference is this one is heavier, top heavy, but you can also put the camera in a portrait position as well, okay? And then of course I got all these other ones that sit closer to the head. These are the ones that I would actually recommend, like any of these. And of course all the prices are a little bit different. Some of them, you know, are only like a couple dollars difference, but that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything, just comment below and I'll try to answer you guys. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.